How to fix WhatsApp business update problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business updates problem on Android phone. First open settings here and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type WhatsApp business, this one here, click on it and go to storage, clear cache, and then click for stop. And now go to Play Store and type here WhatsApp business, and then just click update here and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and clear Play Store cache and try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.